Hello everyone. Um, Here I'm Tiểu Anh. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. And in the series of review about the Bitcoin platform, today I am introducing all of you a quite new network named Avion. Spell Avion, and here is the address of Avion. I Here you can get access to this link to the website of it. And today I will talk about basic information about Avion, about the industry problem, and then come up with to this website, about the leader, about the team, right, about the advisors, and just map of Avion. And I will show how potential Avion is in the near future. Firstly, here the video introducing about the Avion. I will show all of you here.
Welcome to Avion. Avion is a new protocol for building decentralized.
Avion's protocol is the foundation for decentralized video applications.
Video applications leveraging the latest in neural network-based artificial intelligence, computer vision, and machine learning to scan, analyze, categorize, tag, and index videos at the frame level. The frame-accurate metadata that is generated is the base.
Here the S category.
This is for next-generation decentralized video application.
Matching content to advertising categories,
such as video search engines, new types of interactive video advertising, content and brand safety filtering, and content rights management. Avion will build the first decentralized application, an open video search engine, which will be the first and largest video search engine globally.
Yes, as you can see here, there are many videos about in different kinds of aspects.
To achieve scalability, Avion is leveraging the power of the blockchain to create an open-source, scalable, and trustable shared economy ecosystem. These users are the foundation for Avion, either providing their spare computing cycles to create a robust.
Here the video contents, the main contents of Avion's.
AI computing.
Avion's is also the decentralized community of crowdsourced hill experts.
Similar to Bitcoin mining, or
here is a proof of work. Edit, verifies, corrects, and trained.
Becoming a human expert to correct and train the AI to be better and more accurate. This 1-2 combination.
As you can see here, the system of Avion is working with each other very flexible and smooth.
This 1-2 combination will allow Avion to be able to parallel.
Avion also use AI to analyze video at scale.
While providing rich incentives to its participants to create vibrant ecosystem. Join us
Very smart, right? Okay, right now I will show you some basic information about it. With me first. Here, Avion stands for Artificial Intelligence Video Open Network. An open network for video, powered by artificial intelligence and human experts. Here's the white paper of Avion, and I will show you in the next review. Alright, yes. And what is the origins of Avion? It's from some industry problem. There are three industry problems you can see here. The first one is online video is global, but localization is a big issue. Online video is global, but localization is a big issue. Another challenging problem within the video industry is that list about 80% of content on the internet is accessible in only one of 10 top languages. Most videos on the internet are only accessible in a single language, usually English. It means that video distributions is limited and much of the world is out of reach for content producers regardless of whether their videos are accessible through search engines and video platforms. Okay, right. And the second problem is that video content lack rich and normalized metadata. Metadata must also be normalized and standardized if it is to be used for better search and discovery. If the metadata isn't normalized and standardized, such as when multiple upload the same video to YouTube with different descriptions, users get different metadata based on who is uploading it, because humans are beings with their own perspectives. Each human looking at the same video will come up with different metadata information and talk for that video. Right, and the last industry problem is that ensuring content safety for brand and viewer. One of the most challenging problems in the video industry is to ensure video contents are safe for our children to watch and for brands to advertise on through access to metadata. Due to the number of online video viewed daily, especially by kids, the importance of video safety is becoming more and more important. Arise from significantly industry problems, Avion come up with solutions to these problems. As you know, in the video introducing about Avion is a decentralized blockchain platform and protocol built on artificial intelligence (AI). You know AI? Yeah, network and a community of humans experts working together and to generate normalized and enhanced metadata for video contents. Here is there are solutions to the problem I have already talked about. The first one is AI, artificial intelligence. Special AI will be deployed on mining nodes, so that miner CPU and GPU resources can be used to scan media files generates the enhanced metadata, including time, contact, classifications, category, transcript, and translations, and an index of the video object. The second solution is content graph. Avion platform will use AI to define a confidence score for each of several content safety attributes such as nudity, adults, offensive language, hate speech, violence, gun, alcohol. The confidence scores will be combined into a vector content graph TM, which can be visualized as a bar graph. And the third one is human space. Avion use a network of a freelancer with skill in talking, metadata management, transcribing, and translations. Avion will empower its community with tools which enable individuals to review, verify, and correct the AI, including the categorizations, transcriptions, and translations. Yes, it can meet all of the demands of users and solve also of the problem about I talk about now. Now I am talking about the lister of Avion's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, six persons here. Six main persons here. Here's the profile them and very detailed in their website, right? I know there are from many places all over the world. The first one is Rick Grong. Rick Grong is serial entrepreneur with over 25 years of experience in internet technologies, media, and software. Very excellent. SQ Lee. SQ Lee is CEO and co-founder of Avion Smart. She also very good. Here is the principal consultant and blockchain engineer. Here's the director of operations North America, and Bill Clayton is a seasoned technology entrepreneur. He holds a certificate in blockchain for technical executives and analysts from B9 Academy in the UK. Right, Drucker has started to work with open source technology in 1995 when he founded his first IT company. From that, you can see they are all very well experienced and excellent at many different kinds of fields, such as internet technologies, media, software, blockchain, consulting. There's many various fields. Okay, and to see the detailed information about them, you can get access to this link to get the team part to get the detailed information. And now I will talk about the advertisers of Avion. There are five people in this team. As I have skimmed the information about them, I can see that they are on service master and professional in many different fields, so that it can be trustworthy and very potential in the near future. And the last one is the roadmap. The roadmap is from November 2017 to December 2019. Here, let me see the lyrics term. Here's September 2018. Avion released 1.0 with basic feature of hosting AI, a task allocation facility for review by humans expert. Wow, they improved their versions in March and December in 2019. It's very potential in the future, you know. Alright. Here, and here the social network of Avion's. You can get link to get access. Wow, and I can see there are more. There are nearly 11,500 people like this fan space of Avion's. It's quite huge number. Alright, I have finished the review about the basic information of Avion, and if you find it helpful to you, let's like and subscribe for my YouTube channel. And I will show you the information about the detailed information in a white paper in the next video. And goodbye and see you.